Hey there, my peeps. So I recycle. Excuse me. So I found these two items um, in the sidewalk in my block. Okay, this one, someone put it out yesterday in the afternoon. I was gonna pick it up late night, but it kind of slipped my mind. So I picked it up in the morning. Um, so what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna make a worm farm or a worm bin. Yeah, so I'm gonna repurpose this. It comes in wheels. Uh, the measurements, let's see, 12 and a half tall, um, whoa, 26 and a half, or 2 feet and 2 inches and a half. Okay, and in depth, let's see, what's the depth? 16 inches. Yeah, all right. So what I'm gonna do, it's gonna be multiple layers. So this is gonna be solid, nothing's gonna happen to this, but the bottom ones, the rest, I'm gonna drill holes so then it could sip through the gaps. Yeah, two different sizes of holes, and then do different layerings, and then just have worms. So mainly I'm gonna use the worms for many things, with the worm castings, to feed the chickens, to feed the koi fish, goldfish, and yeah. So I'm gonna repurpose this. It's still good. It still works. Okay. And I also recycled this in the morning, and I got it out of a couch. I'm gonna go get the other one, and I'll record that. But it's a bunch of junk right here by the apartments, which is not that far. So this is all for the biofilter. Yeah. So I want to buy cotton, buy anything. And then I'm gonna repurpose this, which I really don't know what's the history. I don't know if it was my sisters or somebody, but I don't recall me picking this up. But I was using these um, for water catchment. You know, you put the pots inside. That's why you see the circle imprint. Yeah, for the drain. Yeah, for the water runoff. You know. But what I'm gonna do is obviously keep one solid, and then the other two drill holes. Um, and then I will have to make some type of custom lid for this, because there's 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 one missing, which I believe it broke. There's supposed to be 1, 2, 3, 4. I only got 3. So this is all gonna be an opening. So I'm gonna hacksaw this and make like a lid. I'm gonna have to re-engineer this because this is not necessary. So yeah, actually this is like, it probably comes off. Yeah, it does come off the top. Yeah, so I'm gonna reuse this to make and it's gonna be double stack, because so I can maximize my square footage since I don't have a lot of space in the backyard. And I'm gonna show you where I'm gonna place it. So this measurement is, sorry, wait, it's 13 inches. 13 inches and yeah, 13 inches. And as far as height, we're looking at 3 feet and 4 inches and 3/4, or 44 inches and 3/4. All right. And depth, we'll see. What's the depth? Well, you just get it from the top. It's 15 inches. So these both can be stackable. But that one's 13 and this one's 12 and a half. Yeah, so I'm gonna stack them. Yeah, so I'm gonna put this, hopefully it fits and it works out. I'll show you guys. Oh, I fixed the extended ladder. I should have recorded, I didn't. But yeah, I looped it and everything. Alright, so we're gonna show you guys. Oh, so this is my triple biofilter. I'm refilling the tank, and I'm running the new water through the filter because of the good marine biology, or the good microbes, water microbes. Okay, so I'm gonna place it right here, the worm bin. So hopefully it fits right here in the middle. Yeah, so I could use this little space right here. So this is where I'm gonna try to fit them in. Which I believe it is. Oh, hold on. Yeah, it's 13 inches, you see? So it should be workable, hopefully. Alright. I gotta level this. I gotta secure this white bar that runs across. Yeah, and all these filters, all the material, the cotton, the membranes, the sand, the biochar, the gravel, everything, repurpose, reuse, recycle. If the hose doesn't reach, that's as far as it goes. I'm using the downspout. Alright, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do the the worm bins. So that's pretty much where they're gonna go. Hopefully it works out. And then I'm gonna show you in another video how I'm gonna track and harvest free worms. Yeah, you've seen a bunch of free material. Okay, so that's another video. Alright, peace, love, and health.